very important to know where your main water shutoff valve is. Whether you live in the north or the south. Bless your heart. It's important to shut off your water while leaving on a trip. And if there's an emergency in your home, you want to know how to quickly turn off the water to stop a flood. In colder areas, the main water line usually enters through the foundation wall or floor, like in a basement. In warmer areas, the water shutoff is probably outside your home. Or you may find it in a box buried in the ground with an access panel. So if you ever need to shut off your water, turn the valve perpendicular to the pipe. And if you're leaving for a trip, good idea to shut this baby off. And open a tap for 10 seconds just to relieve some pressure. And you're good to go on your trip. You won't have to worry about coming home with a wet house. Yay!